10 blogging tips for beginners. There is a lot of steps starting a blog, so many steps that it might be overwhelming for beginners. And if you miss an important tips, it could affect the success of your blog. But don't worry. In this guide, getting started, do something research for your blog. Figure out why you want to start a blog. Decide on a blog niche. Have a passion for your niche. Set goals. Pick the perfect blog name. Choose the right blogging platform. Learn the difference between WordPress or WordPress.com. Pick the best blogging hosting services. WordPress.org is free to use to build your blog, but to make your blog live on the internet, you need to blog hosting services. 10 points. Use a complex username and password for your WordPress.org. Like Bluehost, remember to use a complex username and password to protect your blog. Instead of using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your password, use a password generator to come up with something more secure. Add an SSL certificate, as we mentioned earlier. With Bluehost, you get the free SSL certificate to your blog. An SSL certificate will secure your website without one. Your website will be shows up not secure. Creating and designing your blog. Once you have a WordPress website, it's time to start creating and designing your blog. How your blog looks is important to research, and your website needs to cushion pages and different features. Decide on your brand. Before you start designing your blog, decide what you want your brand to be. Check out other blogs, create a coming soon pages. Use the right WordPress theme. Make sure your WordPress theme is mobile friendly. Choose good typography, customize your homepage. Use a drag and drop page builder plugin. Create an about me page, add content in the slider, write a tagline for your blog, add links to your social media profits, installing sessional plugins, all in one SEO. WP forms, security services, upgrade plugs in WP Rocket, planning your content, learn about your target audience, brainstorm blogs, post ideas, research your competitors, use Google suggestions to find some topics, keep a remaining list of blog post ideas.